See that thing hanging down near the light switch on the tree?
Yeah. And look at that big one that came down right there.
Oh, yeah. And that just came down, I think.
I heard it crack. Man, thank God we pruned. That's all I'm going to say.
Alright, so yesterday was the storm, and it ended, I guess. Well, it didn't end. It's here's the aftermath of my backyard. So, a bunch of fallen branches. Some people had it a lot worse than me, actually. Like, there's been reports of a stop sign that actually flew into a windshield of a car. Someone's doors blew off, and all their papers blew out, and stuff like that. But yeah, so that fell down. This is the most annoying.
Hi, Ross. Hey, Ross, look at the thing here. Look at the grill.
Well, I saw. That's not 4 feet. That's a bit of an over-exaggeration.
Yeah, how did it get over that other tank?
What over? What?
Isn't there a gas tank there?
Where?
No, on the other side.
No, there's just that one.
Yeah. How did it get over that tank?
What do you mean, get over it?
The tank, this thing was on the other side of the tank.
Oh!
This was over here. I moved this, but
Are
how
you
did
serious?
it get from there to there? And
Wait, that was over there?
that's right.
Oh, okay. See, now I thought it just blew out from here a bit, and I was like, ah, no big deal.
No, it blew around.
That makes no sense. Yeah, the fence. Yeah. At least the tables didn't shatter.
Right.
Well, I think what I found out what caused us to lose power. This power line fell from that tree over there. Caution tape.
Oh, their chimney broke too.
Why? It smells like skunk?
Yeah.
I don't smell it.
Why that car just got skunked on?
Oh, come on.
No.
Let's cross the street. Yeah. Oh no, car. Come on, Marty. Oh wait, never mind. It's going straight. Don't make stupid sounds. So I'm going to say it's not me. Yeah, well that sucks. I guess cars can't drive through. Make your stupid sound. Not the pot! It's a catastrophe.